Imagine making $1,000 just by playing games on your phone or laptop. Sounds too good to be true. Well, I did it, and in this video, I'm showing you exactly how you can too, with zero investment. Let's dive in. I started casually gaming in my free time. At first, I was just looking for a way to unwind, but then I stumbled upon something pretty amazing: platforms that actually pay you real money just for doing what you love, playing games. I thought, what's the catch? But after weeks of testing, tracking, and optimizing, I made over $1,000 simply by playing games during my downtime. Let me walk you through exactly how I did it and how you can start too. So, how did I make that money? It started with 5 different platforms, each one rewarding me for gameplay in its own unique way. Here's a breakdown of the top websites that actually pay you to play. First up, Swagbucks Live. This is a live trivia app where you get paid real cash for answering questions correctly in real time. It's exciting, fast-paced, and fun. All you need is your phone and a sharp mind. After playing a few games each week, I managed to win around $300 just by racking up points and getting lucky on the leaderboard. The site, that's swagbucks.com, and yes, it's legit. Second, we've got Misplay, but heads up, this one is Android only. Misplay lets you earn points while playing games it recommends. The more you play, the more you earn. Then you exchange those points for gift cards, which you can use just like real cash. I averaged about $150 in 1 week with this one by casually playing during my daily commute and lunch breaks. Just visit misplay.com to get started. Next is GameHag, a little different, but still a solid earner. GameHag pays you to complete gaming tasks, things like reaching a certain level, finishing a quest, or trying out a new game. Each task gives you a certain number of soul gems there in platform currency, which you can redeem for real rewards, including PayPal Cash or game codes. I use this platform to try new games while earning at the same time. Talk about a win-win. Then there's InboxDollars. Don't let the name fool you. This platform includes more than just surveys. They offer arcade-style games with real payouts. Sure, the payments are small, but they add up. I kept this one in the background, using it when I had 5 to 10 minutes to kill. I pulled in about $80 in a week. Not huge, but still better than nothing for time I'd otherwise spend doing nothing productive. And finally, we've got Buff Gaming, my personal favorite for passive income. Buff runs in the background while you play games like League of Legends, Valorant, or even Fortnite. The app tracks your progress and awards you with Buff coins, which you can redeem for gift cards, in-game currency, or even gaming gear. I didn't even have to change the way I played, just installed Buff and let it do its thing. Over a couple of weeks, I earned enough for a new gaming headset, and that felt awesome. Now, let's say you want to take this a step further. You don't just want to earn from the games. You want to turn gaming into a real side hustle. Well, here's what I recommend. Start streaming your gameplay on Twitch. You don't need a huge following to get started. In fact, I began with just a basic microphone and screen recording software. I streamed a few times a week and slowly built up viewers who wanted to see me play and give tips. Eventually, I got my first affiliate badge and started making small income from subscriptions and donations. Next, take your favorite gaming clips and upload them to YouTube Shorts. These quick clips are incredibly popular right now and can go viral much faster than traditional videos. I post game highlights, funny fails, and cool tricks, and within a few weeks, I had over 500 subscribers just from posting consistently. Some of the videos even earn me ad revenue and affiliate clicks. And if writing is more your style, try reviewing games on platforms like Medium or Reddit forums. Add affiliate links to games you talk about. When people click and sign up, you earn a commission. I made a surprising amount of money just from one well-written post about mobile RPG games. Don't underestimate the power of text content in the gaming space. Now let's talk earnings, real numbers. Here's what my weekly income looked like when I was using all these methods. From Misplay, I earned about $150. Swagbucks Live gave me around $300. GameHag added another $200. InboxDollars, roughly $80. and Buff Gaming, while slower, still added $70 in gift cards and credits over the week. Altogether, that's over $800 in just 7 days. And I wasn't even grinding full-time. This was mostly passive or casual play. Not bad, right? By now, you're probably wondering, can I actually do this? The answer is yes. If you've got a phone or a laptop and a bit of spare time, you can start earning right away. You don't need to be a pro gamer. You just need consistency and the right platforms. Still skeptical? That's fine, so was I. But once I saw the first few dollars hit my PayPal account, I knew I was onto something real, and it only grew from there. Let me tell you this, the internet is filled with shady promises and fake apps, but these platforms I've shown you, they actually work. I've tested them, I've earned from them, and now I'm sharing them with you so you don't waste time with scams. Now, before we wrap up, here's a final thought. This isn't just about games. It's about making the most of your free time. If you're already gaming, why not turn that hobby into something profitable? Start small, choose one app, try it for a week, track your progress, then slowly add another. Before long, you'll start seeing real results just like I did. If you enjoyed this video, it would mean a lot to me if you hit that like button. It helps more people discover this kind of honest, helpful content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I replied to as many as I can, and who knows, your comment might inspire the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Coincrafts, your go-to channel for digital hustles, online money-making tricks, and game-based income hacks. We drop new videos every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. And hey, thanks for watching. Seriously, whether this is your first time here or your 50th, I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video.